finding a bigger fear, so almost alternative fear to what people are afraid of. For example, if someone is afraid of being a public, to do public speaking or starting a business, so I would flip the fear and I would say, okay, that's fine, but aren't you more afraid of never starting a business and never having your own freedom, or being the master of your own time and make as much money, as much work you're putting in? And aren't you afraid of always being stuck in your day job that you say that you hate and you're not rewarded enough? Isn't that more terrifying than standing in front of people and speaking for 10 minutes or an hour? Or with business, isn't staying in the job that you hate and all the things that I mentioned, isn't it more scary than actually giving it a shot and starting your own business? Or never becoming a public speaker, having this fear kind of win over you, and it will always be on your mind. Oh, you always wanted to speak, that you would love it, and you're scared of it, and it will come back and you will resent yourself. It will be playing on your mind. It will be chipping away from your confidence. Isn't that something isn't a bigger fear to be afraid of, a bigger thing or impact to be afraid of?